In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert your Clickbank order link to your website or to your web page. Now, as you can see on this page, we're on the clickbank.com website. We see / and the address there. And this is the format of the order link here that Clickbank provides on the website for you. So in this tutorial, we're going to show you two ways. It's the same way, but we're going to use two different HTML editors. We're going to use Microsoft Front Page, and we're going to use Dreamweaver to show you how to do it. So on this page here, this is Microsoft Front Page here, and we've got the sales letter here, and this is the order link. We've typed that in, but there's no actual link there. So what we do is highlight the... What we want to do is make this sentence the actual audio, the order link. It will hyperlink and it will direct people directly to the order form. Okay, so let's go back to Clickbank. And as you can see here, the direct URL is actually just this here. Okay, we just see we've highlighted that. That is the direct order link, the direct URL for the order link. So let's just copy this, right-click copy. And then what we want to do is highlight what we want the link to be, the whole of this text here. Okay, and then what we do is we go to the hyperlink setting. This is in Front Page, remember, and we want to insert that link that we've just copied, but we can't right click using the mouse. What we have to do is press Control and V on the keyboard. So it's Control V, and that will paste. There you go. So you can see the Clickbank link. Now you can see it says item and publisher. Now the item is the item number of your product, so it must correspond or be the same as the number on your Clickbank account for the product that you've created. So if we go to the Clickbank page, we can have a look at my products. So this is a list now of the different products that you will be selling. So as you can see, we've just got a test account here. So as you can see, this is item number 1. We're selling this item. This is a thank you page. This is a thank you test page as well. So the item number is number 1. So if you add more items, clicking this button here, or more products, you will end up with a longer list with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And they will be in sequence. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. So make sure that this item number is the same as the order link here. So we go back to this order link that we got from Clickbank and we change it there and just put number 1 in. As for the publisher, this is now your publisher's name, so this will be your Clickbank nickname. So we'll just choose that name there. So whatever your name is, your Clickbank nickname, you just replace it there. And then again, Control V, remember, to drop that in there. So once that is done, we can then click OK, and it's actually created the hyperlink for us. As you can see, it's turned blue now and it's underlined. So we'll just save that now. And let's just preview that and have a look. There we are, we're on the website again, on the web page, and if we scroll down to the order link, you can see it's a hyperlink, and we click on that now, and we'll just see whether that's working or not. And there we go. We can see the Clickbank Marketplace Secure Order Form, and it's the ordering details for our product. So let's just do the same thing again using Dreamweaver. We're going to do exactly the same thing, but just show you how to do it in Dreamweaver. So we copy that link again, and we go to Dreamweaver, and press Control-C. What we'll do is just press Control-C to copy that first, and then we go into Dreamweaver, and we select the whole sentence. The feature is slightly different obviously in Dreamweaver, so we've got the link up here, as you can see. We'll just press paste, and there you go, it's put the link in, and you can see it's made the changes. So we can save that now. Control S is what you can press in order to save. Now the link is ready. If I just press F12, actually I can just preview it and go to the page again. Let's go down to where, there it is, there's the link. Just click on it once, and it's just going to the order page again, and there we are. There's the order page again at the Clickbank Marketplace. So we've been redirected there, and that's all worked okay. Now, Another question that we get asked, why does Clickbank give you this entire link like this? I'll show you why. If we go down here, we'll just put a new space in here just to make room, because what we're going to do is going to copy the whole format here that Clickbank has given us. Copy, go back into the program. Now what I have to do is go to the source code, which is like the underneath of the web page. We can see there, that's the place that we were just looking at. So from here, if we do right click and press paste, and we'll paste that link that we've got the entire code there from Clickbank, and we put it all in. Now remember, the item number is number 1, and we change the publisher name again. And that's it, just to make sure that that works properly. So let's go back and preview that now, and you should see that there's another link now under the one. There we are. So you can see the code that they gave us actually includes the name and the sentence that they gave us. So it just says click here to purchase. So it's similar to the one that we created up here, click here to download your videos. But it's I find it's much easier to do it the first way, really. And then you can actually choose what you want to put as the title, and then you can just put the link there. You can also change the font, and you can also just customize it a bit more, and so just use that direct link. That's what I would advise you do, and put it there into what you've already typed into your sentence. You can see here the font is a bit smaller, and it's, you know, I wouldn't be using that type of font on my web page, so it's a bit limited really if you get all of the code there. So it's best to kind of manually change it, really. You know, what you have to do here, if you put that in, you have to select the whole thing again, and then you have to press bold, and then you change the font. You know, so it's a bit more complicated. It looks easy to start with, but it is actually a bit more time consuming. You can of course change the words as well if you want to. You could change that to purchase your, so you have to get in there to make sure that it carries on with the hyperlink, your videos, you know, something like that. So the choice is yours, really. Have a play around with it and see what you think. Okay, so once again, copy the whole thing. That is the sentence there that would appear, and that's the hyperlink code there. And that target there, that means that it will open when you click. When you click on the link, on the order link, what that means is will open on a new window for you. You see there, you click there, and it just opens up a new window. Okay, new window is open there on the screen, and there you can see you get back to the order form again. And again, the same thing if you do it in Dreamweaver. You make a bit of a space. You can go to split the screen if you want, so that you can see the code and the actual preview page at the bottom. Paste it there. Item 1. Change the name to your Clickbank nickname again, and then there it appears again as it did before. So if we just have a look at the preview on that now. Press F12, remember, to preview the page, and we'll see that extra link is in there again. Press on that, and it opens on a new tab and goes through to the order page. Now, there's another trick which you can do. It's a new method, really, but it's not widely published on the Clickbank site. I'll just show you this now. Got this tip actually and this method from one of the Clickbank representatives who gave me this just to show me that you can be a bit more playful with the code. This is the code that they gave me. This is the order link that we've already used. This is what we've just shown you just now. But you can see here there's some more information here on the right, and it's / question mark, and then this detail here is an actual title that you can put in. So if you want your product name to appear on the order form, then you can do this, because if we go back to the original order form, we can see the order link is here, but it's just like the item name that you list, you know, CB- something something something, and it doesn't look very attractive. So that's just the code that you put together, or Clickbank generated for you when you made product number 1, and it doesn't look particularly attractive because there's no real name, there's no real description there. So in order for you to do that, you just get this code, right click there, I'll just get that. So just get this extra line, copy that, and then I'll just show you Microsoft Word this time, Microsoft Front Page, I beg your pardon. So, oh, this is actually Dreamweaver. Sorry, I'm getting confused. This is Dreamweaver, and we just paste it there in that link, and we just put the product name that we want. So we call it Internet. Now, if the words has a gap, you can't leave a space because it won't work. You can't just leave it empty. So what you have to do is you have to put underscore. So you got word 1 underscore, word 2 underscore, and then the next word. So the underscore will not appear on the order page. It should just appear as a gap, and just like a normal sentence. So we type that like that, and we've done that. Go back to design. Now let's have a preview of that. So I've added that extra code in. Scroll down, that should have been updated, and we go down to the order link and click that. So you can see on the status bar, while my mouse is over there, you can see the actual the link has the extra details in it and the extra name that we put on there. So we click on that, and it should take us to the order page, and we'll see the difference now. And there we are. You see, there's an actual item description. Internet Marketing Basics video. So doing it that way, it's a bit more kind of user friendly, and when people get to the order page, the last thing they want to do is doubt what they're ordering. So that's just a kind of a confirmation of the product that they are ordering. So as you can see, it just makes the order form a bit more kind of user friendly really for people ordering it, so there's no hesitation when they order it. Thank you.